Hi, this is Roger Peterson. In the past few months, I've been receiving numerous inquiries, questions about how do I set up a Costa Rica company? I already have a company. How do I structure it well? How do I change the board of directors, the managers? What about the shareholders? How do I pass the stock? All types of questions, also about how to stay compliant with the current Costa Rican government regulations. So what I decided to do, because this can be an extensive topic, was to do it in the form of an online course. So I created the online course called How to Set Up and Manage Your Costa Rica Company. In preparing this course, I wanted it to be like a step-by-step guide, so you could easily follow the examples of the topics that we're covering. This course is designed for those individuals that are looking to either set up a company from scratch, new company, or those that already have a company and have questions about how to properly manage it and comply with current regulations. Let me jump in really quickly and give you an overview of each of the lessons so that you can get a really good feeling of what the content of the course is about. Then I'll wrap it up by walking you through the course registration process on our website so you can get started right away with this course on how to manage and set up your Costa Rica company. In the first lesson, we're going to talk about the law that governs company formation and its management in Costa Rica. In lesson 2, we'll look at the differences between the two most commonly used forms of companies in Costa Rica, the Sociedad Anónima and the SRL LLC. In lesson 3, we get into how to do it. So how do you form a Costa Rica company? And then we have several subsections here, which is how to check the name, using a numbered company, drafting articles of incorporation, the company documents and minutes books, resident agent, and how the notary public registers your company. So lesson 4 is all about the capital structure of the company and how you issue shares for your company. Lesson 5 is all about shareholder rights and obligations and how do you convene shareholder meetings. Lesson 6 is all about managing your company and dealing with powers of attorney. Lesson 7, we're going to get into what are the tax reporting obligations for your company. We'll talk about the tax department, the difference between active and inactive companies, income tax, value-added tax, annual company tax, declaration of assets, an overview of the online digital filing system. In Lesson 8, we'll go over the obligation of filing the mandatory shareholder disclosure form. It is the obligation of every company to disclose the shareholders or beneficial owners. In Lesson 9, we'll go over the procedures required if you are going to sell or buy an existing Costa Rican company. In Lesson 10, we'll go over the procedure required in order to have a foreign company, a non-Costa Rican company, registered in Costa Rica to be able to use it in country. In Lesson 11, we'll talk about how to get rid of your company, how to dissolve it, liquidate it if you no longer need the company. As you can see from this overview, we cover plenty of ground to ensure that you understand how to set up and manage your Costa Rica company. So I invite you to sign up for the course. You can do so by going to my blog, CostaRicaLaw.com, click on the courses section, and then that'll take you to the course. Click on the course and follow the checkout procedures, which I'm going to cover as follows as well. Once you've selected the course, then that's going to put the course into your shopping cart. So then click on Proceed to Checkout right here. Then complete all the requested billing information. Then you have the option of paying through PayPal or else with a debit or credit card, which is also processed through the PayPal system. Once your payment is processed, it will take you to this window, and all you have to do now is go to the red button here. It says Go to My Courses, and that will get you started. As always, thank you for watching the video, and I do hope you find the course helpful for you. I'm going to include the links to the course in the video description to this video, as well as any other information related to the course and how to sign up for the course. Thank you.